Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you multiplication with the golden beads. I have golden beads here and I have math equation here 12 multiply by 4. So 12 is our multiplicand, 4 is multiplier. The answer will be called product. So I am going to move this label right here, then I have more space here. So we have 12. We have to bring 12 4 times. So how many units do we have here? We have 2 units. So let's bring, please count with me, 1 unit, 2 units. We need to bring 110. We got 1 time, but we need to bring 4 times. Okay. 2 times, 1 unit, 2 units, and 110 3 times, and one more time we need to bring because our multiplier is 4. Okay. All right. So now we need to put them together to get the answer. So before we put them together, let me place these labels to show. All right. Okay. I got 12 one time, 12 two times, 12 three times, and 12 4 times. We got 12 4 times because our multiplier is 4. Now I'm going to remove these labels because we don't need them. I just wanted to show you. And let's put all the units together and all the tens together. All right. Okay, we always start counting with the units. So 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, and 8 units. So we have 8 units. Let's count tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 4 tens. 4 tens makes what? 40. So I'm going to place 8 units on the units place. So we have what? 48. That is our answer. Answer is called product. Okay, here. So let's do another one. Before we do another one, I want to read these math problems. Okay, let's read together. We took 12 beads 4 times and all together we have 48. That is our answer, right? Answer is called product. Okay, so I'm going to remove these cards and quantity away because I'm going to place them new cards, and we are going to do another math equation. So thank you for watching, my friends. Okay, so I have here 24 multiply by 3. So 24 is our multiplicand, 3 is multiplier. So let's bring the quantity. So how many units do we have in 24? We have 4 units. Please, my friends, count with me. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, and 4 units. We got 4 units. How many tens we need to bring? We need to bring 2 tens, 1 10 and 2 tens. So let's bring second time quantity. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, and 4 units. How many tens? 2 tens, 1 10 and 2 tens. So now we need to bring how many time? Only one more time. All right, let's, 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units and 4 units. How many tens? 1 10 and 2 tens. So what we got here, let me place the labels. We got 24 one time, 24 two times, 24 three times, because our multiplier is 3. So I'm going to remove these labels and let's put the quantity together. Let's put the units together. Let's put the tens together. So, all right, please count with me. We always begin counting with the units. So, one unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units, and 10 units. When we reach 10, we need to stop and exchange. So, 10 units equal 1 10. Since I am going to take 1 10, so these units will go back in the box, because what we did regrouping. So these units are going back. I got 110, so 110 will go in the tens category. I'm going to place it here. So how many units are left? 2 units, that's correct. How many tens? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, and 7 tens. 7 tens makes 70. So I'm going to place these 2 units on the units place. So after putting them together, so what we got 72. That is our product. So when the addends are all the same, then it is a special kind of addition called multiplication, right? All right, so I am going to read this math equations, this math problem together. All right, please read with me. We took 24 beads 3 times, and all together we have 72. 72 is our product. So I forgot to put the label here, so I'm going to place the labels here also. So that's all, my friends, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.